So you're going to see an option for menu under bot father. And then you're going to create new bot. Have you clicked? Create new bot? Are you there? Sorry? Start again? All right. On Telegram. All right. Go to Telegram. In the search bar at the top, or at the bottom, I'm not sure where your search bar is, you're going to search for bot father. B-O-T father. You're going to create your first Telegram bot. If you've never done this before, this is really cool, but it's also really easy. Now that you're there, you're going to see a menu button somewhere on the screen, a blue one. You click on it, there'll be a menu that pops up. One of the buttons that you're going to see there is create new bot or something like that. Or new bot, I think it's. Click that. It's going to ask you to give the bot a name, be as creative as you like. You can call it Georgina, or what was the other name? From Seth. Or Seth. Seth bots. Just follow the instructions and create the bot. Now you're going to get a message after you're done where there's going to be what's called an API key. This is a very long, it looks like a URL that has numbers and letters in it. Just keep that close because we're going to put that into NA10. Now, if you're done with that, I want you to go back to NA10 and I want you to create, I want you to click on the trigger button or the plus button, click plus, and then you're going to see a menu pop up on the side. There's going to be lots of options there for triggers. I want you to just type Telegram. And then you're going to see a Telegram trigger button there. I want you to put that trigger in. Once you've created that trigger, you can now actually connect. How's it going, bro?
We are almost there.
All right. How are we doing? Great. So you have now your new bot that you created, your Seth bot or your Georgina bot. You've created it. You've got the API key. Keep that close. You're going to need that. Now you've created a trigger for Telegram. This is now your communication portal with your agent. Okay? And every time you talk to that bot on Telegram, it's going to trigger this workflow. Every time you send a message, even a full stop, it's going to come here and it's going to say start running this process. Okay, I'm going to show you how to configure. Hopefully you can show me now. Hopefully. Yes. Yes, go ahead. Okay, so you're saying that if you haven't created a name for your workflow, it gives an error. Okay, so you see at the top where there's workflow 1, probably. There's somewhere on the top of your screen you're going to see the name of the workflow. Yeah. Have you created the workflow? Is it the internet as well? You're on your own hotspot. Yeah, which one? You've created already, yeah. The open one. Okay.
here, my workflow, you can change the name if you want. Yeah. On message.
Yeah, sorry, when you're adding your Telegram trigger, what you want to do is you'll see a menu, there'll be different trigger items. You want to say on message, so that when a message comes in, that's when the workflow starts. There's a couple of options there, so just choose on message. Yeah. Then, inside the Telegram node, when you click that node and you open it, you're going to see a menu. I want you to just quickly put credential. So it says select credential, drop that down, create new credential. And there